No BS guide to ClickFunnels for beginners. What's up, guys? It's Derek with Arstress Productions. In today's video, we're going to be talking about ClickFunnels again. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it is a online service or software that helps you create web pages to help sell your products, collect emails, and host webinars to get traffic. With ClickFunnels, you don't have to make full-on websites. You just have to make pages and they host it on there for you. There's quite a few different ones like Builderall and such, but I think ClickFunnels has to be the number one out of all of them. There's just so many different features on here. So let's get started with this guide. So with ClickFunnels, you can sell products, you can promote affiliate products, but today's thing we're going to be talking about, let's say you're selling a ebook. So we're gonna do this guide backwards. So this is I'm gonna show you 3 different pages with this funnel. So we're gonna start backwards. So this is gonna be the final page, and there's gonna be a middle and a first. So on the last page, this is gonna be your ebook. Ignore that writing. But you're gonna have selling stuff, and this is where they actually buy the ebook. This is gonna be where they buy it. This is the final page. And how they get to this is why ClickFunnels is one of the best ways to get sales. So you start selling an ebook, and so that's the final page. That's the end of it. And then you have this middle page, and this is how you're gonna get their attention to your ebook. And then we're gonna actually skip to the very first page. In the very first page, this is how you're gonna collect their emails. They're gonna put their emails in here for you, and then you're gonna give them a quick free information to get them hooked on. So this one, you're gonna get their attention, tell them that if they give you your email, you're gonna give them, let's say your ebook is the best traffic strategies for 2019. Let's say that you're gonna teach people how to get traffic in 2019. So on here, you're gonna tell people, if they give you your email and name their information, you'll give them a free top 5 traffic sources for 2019. And it's gonna be not that much information, just a thing. So that the first page is you're gonna collect their emails, you're gonna get everything from them, and in this middle page, you're gonna make a video or make a page about information with those top 5 traffic sources. So you're gonna get their emails, you're gonna send them to the next page, and you're gonna give them your top 5 traffic sources here with a video or just writing out and tell them, and then you're gonna upsell them from here, from this middle page. After they learn all this, they're gonna want to learn more and how to get the most out of those traffic sources. So then you're gonna send them back over to where we started, to your ebook, and then they'll buy your ebook here, download it, or if it's a physical book, you can ship it to them from here. But it is just a 3-step, super simple process, going from getting their emails, giving them free information to get them hooked, and then send them to your product. It's easy as that. So let's head over to ClickFunnels, and I'll actually show you how to do that. So you're going to choose collect emails. We're just going to do demo book build funnel, and it's just going to load up for you. So see, look here on the left, you got your opt-in page, and this is where they're going to collect your emails. So let's go see how many different ones there are. There's so many different choices to pick from. Let's go ahead with this book one. Of course, you would want to change like the title of the book and such. But if you go, just click edit page. It's just super simple. It loads up everything for you, and it's just click and change. Just click, and then you're going to change free to go traffic ideas, and then change this. Let's go with the top 5 traffic ideas. Oops, sorry, typing to start in 2019. And then click here. You can go on here, double click on it. You can edit the whole button itself if you want to change it to like a light green. And then just click here to get instant access. You can change the font size. Let's make that size. I don't like that color. It's ugly. Let's go with that one. And then down here below, you can just put more text right there to get their attention. Doesn't have to be that much. But then down here, you can just delete this if you don't want that much more. Then right here, attention getting headline, some text below there. You just put more information about the traffic ideas to get them here. And then, and how you actually get their emails is you go to the settings, integrations, and you put whatever email, automatic email source software you use here, like Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, all those different ones. It's super easy. You just connect them, and then ClickFunnels will actually just automatically move them from here to there. So that is this first page to get started. And then to move, and then the next one, just exit this, leave. We're actually going to delete this thank you page. We're not going to say thank you. So you just have to click this red X right here. Just delete that. And then add new step. This is your video sales page. Create that. You don't actually have to make a video. I'm not going to go in and make a video for this. But you go to sales. Sales. One click upsell right here. Or you can do product launch, and you go and pick one that will, you can put a video on there, show them your top 5 traffic sources, get them a little more information about it, and then send them over to the last page. And that is, then you would make another one, and this is your actual sales page. Create funnel step. Let that load. And you go, this will be your actual sales page. And see, these are the video ones I was talking about for the last one. And then look right here, there's already a free ebook one perfectly set up for you already. Just edit page it once again. Look at this. It's, of course, you wouldn't want to change the picture and all this, but you go, this is, what was it, traffic ideas for 2019. You probably have a actual name for the ebook, or if you're promoting affiliate products, whatever on here. And then you don't have to put another video, and then that's all it takes to make a funnel. Of course, you would want to go in more detail, get the wording right, get the better pictures, edit the colors better, because this first one doesn't look that good. but and actually have a book to sell and everything. It makes it easier when you actually know what you're selling and not just coming up with an ebook about something. But so that is how you can make web pages and sell products, and it only takes no time. And that is how the power of ClickFunnels, and how funnel making is actually super easy and is not as complicated as it may seem. But the more complicated, the more stuff you put in it, making the videos and everything, the more sales you'll make. The better the product, the better the video, the more sales. But and if you just want to check some of these, the webinar ones, membership, if you want to make a membership thing that they have to sign up to for like a monthly thing, miscellaneous, just there's so many to choose from, and it is just so easy to edit. Just edit, click, fill in it with your own information and everything. Alright, so that's basically the full guide to ClickFunnels. There is more to it. There is lots of other stuff that you can do with ClickFunnels, but for the beginners, this is how I would say just start making them. The more you make, the better you'll get at making them. And that's all for the video today. And make sure you subscribe, like the video if you will. I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.